kindness.
And fill our school with love.
Fill our school with love.
Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so now before you sit down, kindly check if your orders are out and keep them up. Okay, so before we start our lesson, all the pupils at the back kindly please occupy the seats in front. Now. So, let's first check your attendance for today. Is there anyone absent today? Okay, so before we start our new lesson for today, let us first have a short review. So, what did we discuss last meeting? Anyone? Today, we discussed about the major organs of the body. So, what are the major organs of the body then? Brain, heart, lungs, stomach, intestines, kidneys, and bones. Okay, so I think we can now proceed to our new lesson for today. So, we will start our lesson by learning a simple dance. Do you want to dance, class? No! Why not? Okay, so kindly please move your chairs backward so that we have space because I think we will need a space in learning this dance. Come in, Chance! Oh my gosh! May ganito yung tao! Yes, yes! Awan na ni Mark sa kanan, kanan! May ganito yung tao! Okay, so the first step is, you know what a monkey? No. So the first step is like this. Then like this. Then the second animal that we'll be portraying is elephant. So the step of the elephant is like this. Okay. Then the next animal is tiger. Do you know what's a tiger? The first step of that is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have a step that down. Tapos, and front again. Okay. You get the step? You play the music. And then I forgot the first step pala. Like this, tapos like that. And then the other side like that. Okay.
Thank you.
what is the meaning of habitat? So class, anyone here have an idea about what the meaning of a habitat? Yes, Julieta. Stand up. What else? That's correct. What else? Ma'am, Hannah? I'm Hannah. Okay, class, so kindly read what's written in front. Habitat. It is a place where living organisms, plants, and animal species call home. Yes, that's correct. So habitat is like a home for animals and a plant. Just like as humans, we have houses. Isn't it correct? Yes, Mary. Yes, so habitat has two types. These are the terrestrial and aquatic animals. Habitat. So, you know what is a terrestrial habitat? Terrestrial habitat is a natural environment found predominantly on land. So, these terrestrial habitats are the environments that predominantly located on land, like for example, the deserts, forests, and others. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am. How about Zuma?
Yes?
How about Zuma?
Yes, that's considered a terrestrial habitat because there are animals living there and it's on land. Next is the aquatic habitat. So aquatic habitat is what class can kindly read? Water environment where various organisms live. Yes, so these aquatic habitats are the environments or these are the place where there is water. Can you give an example, class? Example of an aquatic habitat. Turtle. No. That's an environment, not an animal. That's Ma'am, I miss Eden. Kindly give an example of an aquatic habitat. Habitat? Yeah. Environment or a place like where does a shark live? Ocean. Yes, ocean. That's example of an ocean, river, ponds, and others. So I have here pictures of animals. And tell me if it's considered an aquatic or terrestrial animal. Okay, class? What's this? Are you familiar with this? Familiar. What? What is this? Kindly raise your hand, class. Julieta. What animal is this? Gorilla. Gorilla. Is this a terrestrial or aquatic animal? Terrestrial. What animal is this? Is this an aquatic or terrestrial animal? Next one. Shark. Is that terrestrial or aquatic animal? Next one. Is that terrestrial or aquatic animal? Next one. Boat. Yes, actually duck can go to water and land, but duck is considered a terrestrial animal because duck physically live on land.
Gulita.
Kinalugyan ah.
Very good, group one, form the puzzle first.
Yay!
Ma'am, we're done. Done, ma'am, done, done, ma'am.
Kanina pa, kanina pa.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, provide.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done kami.
Ma'am, done na kami, ma'am. Group 3, form the puzzle first, then group 2. Then, group 4, okay?
Perfect.
Write your name in a one or just write it in any paper.
Surat ko ng ngalan nyo.
Later.
Sweet.
Sorry, my mistake. Form the puzzle again. Don't disarrange the puzzle if you finish arranging it, okay? Are you done, class?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Group 1, what animal did you form? That's terrestrial or aquatic animal. Terrestrial. Very good. Group 2, what animal is that? Terrestrial or aquatic animal? Terrestrial. Group 3. Elephant is the terrestrial or aquatic animal? An elephant can go to water, but an elephant is terrestrial elephant. Sorry. Next one, group 4. No, that's not. That's an octopus. That's a terrestrial or aquatic animal. Okay, now fix the packet. Arrange it. Fix your chairs, class. I will give you an activity to see if you really learn something. So, in this activity, you should look carefully at the pictures and classify each animal if it is a terrestrial or aquatic animal. Did you understand the instruction, class? Yes. Okay. Answer that in 5 minutes. Are you done, class? Pass your paper if you are finished. Pass your papers, class, if you're finished. Can I read your So I think everybody already done. So you can now come to your assignment for today. So your assignment is in a 1/4 sheet of paper. Write all your pets or animals at home and classify if this is a terrestrial or aquatic animal. Okay? Ang hawalo, isilog